Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Hello, and thank you for clicking the link on our Skoda Superb SportLine automatic LK69DBZ. So you can see the vehicle comes with full LED headlights. Now this vehicle also comes with an electric tailgate. So just inside the vehicle now, as you can see, the vehicle's done 8,903 miles. Got your built-in satellite navigation. Heated front seats, dual climate control zones, as well as the automatic gearbox. This vehicle is also compatible with Apple Carplay and Android Auto. So please contact Marshall Skoda in Croydon if you have any more queries or you like any more information on the vehicle. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.